Yo, miawezo ve strong Eʋegbe le CEANA media. Alo nukpɔƒe, alo TV. Yo. Dynamic.
Gamesu.
Miva.
Mi strong Eʋegbe. Miva. Opo Ghane. Gamesu. All right. Well.
Yo. Dynamic. Reku Elegbo. Ne Egbafe. Now.
All right. Yo. Akwebe. Nilafia Egba. To listen to us. To learn and to enjoy the language called Eʋegbe. Now, last week, Mejago viade ye me bio reading for Professor Dekorn. All of a sudden, I ran into French somewhere on the same page. I don't know what I had done. So I made a little error. And here we are. Let me introduce him again. Professor Kwami Dekorn is a lecturer and early career researcher at the Department of Education of the University of Education, Winneba. He holds a BA in Ewe Education and a master's in philosophy in Ghanaian Language Studies, that is particularly Ewe, from the University of Education, Winneba. He is currently a PhD student at the Linguistics Department of the University of Ghana. His areas of interest include the grammar and syntax of Ewe and the morphology of Ewe and translation, that is, that of English and Ewe. He also has a keen interest in the Ghana Togo Mountain, quote-unquote GTM languages, and the language of Ewe cluster in general. Prof, sorry, Bear, Mejago, the last time with your intro. Here we are. I'd like to introduce to you again Nufialaga Egba is Professor Dekorn.
Yo, akpe da nami. Ta Egba miegba jege mia akwera mia tando français gbevie ha ta na introduction na gake alo dedefia ta mede koko na mi ga kongu hala be français a menye français gbedola mienyo ta ko mi gbagba jemko ta mi de koko na mi yo ke ma français gbemeto Monsieur Mliwomor Kwami Dekorn est maître de conférences et chercheur en début de carrière au Département de l'éducation de Ewe de l'Université d'éducation de Winneba. Il est titulaire d'un baccalauréat en éducation Ewe et d'une maîtrise en études de la langue ghanéenne Ewe de l'Université d'éducation de Winneba. Il est actuellement doctorant au Département de linguistique de l'Université du Ghana. Ses domaines d'intérêt comprennent la grammaire et la syntaxe de l'Ewe, la morphologie de l'Ewe. Oui, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Bon. Très bien.
Mercy. Yo, akwe ta ke mi agata mi si akwe na Professor Hope Dekorn Egbon.
All right.
Yo, akpe re mon popota be mi gava Togo. Ni chomi jena no goma. Mi ro fiaro ta egba mi ga jibe mi ga yiji. Kaka ma Togo na no yo kama jibe ma awo mi haro chu nwenya nyapa enwonwonlo sro Eʋegbe a makwe na mi project ya sro la ngochi magare le tama ga kama no jejemu ta nya alampuram ta sro la edire ngochi ma s r o ta edire ngochi ma ta azu sro ta ngochi magbele o la tama
Srɔ.
yo sro akpenami okay. Majiba magada kpere mon popota maje egome kple miaƒe nyitsɔ eva hiã be ma aƒo ŋu tso evegbesɔsrɔ̃ atu ƒo tso evegbesɔsrɔ̃ ŋuti alo ale ke Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ va tsɔ dze gɔme gake nyitsɔ ma eyama mete ɖe mɔ na mi o ta ewoe be nyemete wo ŋu ma o ke egbe la madzi be ma adze agbagba awo akpama be mi katã mi ate ŋu akpo eʋawo ƒe ŋutinya ku ɖe evegbesɔsrɔ̃ la ŋuti. Okay. All right. Nuyiwo ke le afia godzia nye mɔ ŋkpɔkpɔ nye be afi mia awɔ vɔ nuyiwo nate ŋu su mia si nye taɖodzinu yi ke le mia si le egbe ƒe ŋkekea me ta miade dzesi Eʋegbe ƒe ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo medzi be miagbugbɔ agato ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo me ake be miate ŋu labe nyitsɔ ma eya meɖe mɔ na mi o ta miakpɔ gbɔ be miate ŋu ayo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo eye miade dzesiwo le enyawo me hã. Okay. Ke nusɔsrɔ̃ le Eʋegbe ŋua miagblɔ be edze gɔme tso eyime ke yevuwo va mia gbɔ vevietɔ dzamawo wodze gbe kaka le miaƒe Eʋegbea ŋuti wo dometɔ yiwo ke edze ŋu lele ɖi gɔmea woƒe taɖodzinu vevietɔ nye be wodzi be Eʋegbea yewoate ŋu ado Eʋegbea eye yewoate ŋu axlẽ Eʋegbea eye wodzi hã vevie be ame yiwo ke yewo mawunya gblɔm na ameawo nate ŋu ase Eʋegbea ye woate ŋu ase gbe yi ke gblɔm yewo le na woate ŋu ase egɔme ya ta wodze Eʋegbea egbe kaka le Eʋegbea ŋu kple ale yi ke wowɔ aŋlɔ Eʋegbea na mi ta ŋkulo le ɖe ŋgɔdoawo ƒe kple wo yomedzelawo ƒe ŋuleɖiwo me kɔa ya ŋuti ko miate ŋu ato atu ƒo le Eʋegbea ŋu wɔ de ta egba Reverend SW Quayle ye nye ame gbãtɔ yi ke ƒo Afrika gbegbɔgblɔ 100 kple edzivɔwo ŋu ƒu ɖe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be Polyglotta Africana yi wota le 1854 alo ƒe 1954 me. Gbegbɔgblɔ yawo dome gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo le yiwo ke mi yɔna be the Slave Coast Languages alo kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo. Le kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo ma míede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔwo abe adaŋkpe yi ke nye adaŋgbe, amfoe, ƒira yi ke nye xira, dahume kple maxi. Dahumea yi koe nye efɔgbe yi ke mi yɔna efɔgbea mea nu wɔme eve le me, egbetagbe alo dialect wɔme eve le me. Woawo nye maxi kple gun ta ede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔ mawo gake le Quayle ƒe nuleɖiawo ma gbegbɔgblɔ atɔ̃hiawo ƒe nya geɖe yiwo ke sɔ miakpɔe be wosɔ kple Eʋegbetɔwo ƒe le gɔmesese ŋu eye wo ga de sɔsɔge kple eʋegbetɔwo le tuturo hã ŋu ale yi ke woŋlɔ nyawo lia wo de sɔsɔge hã nenema ke yi ke ɖi fia bena egbe hewoa wo kple eʋegbea wonye gbe aɖewo yiwo ke ɖi wo nɔewo. Jebis Klegel yi hã ede dzesi ʋegbe ƒe gbetagbe atɔ̃ ɖe eƒe agbalẽ yi ke wòɖe mu ŋkɔ na be Sklusel zur Ewe Sprache eye wota le eƒe 1959 me le Stuttgart le Berlin afi ma wota agbalẽ ma le. Gbetagbe yiwo ke wòde dzesia wowoe nye that is gbetagbe nye dialect ma wonye Amfoe, Dahume, Wita yi ke nye Hira kple Aŋlɔ kple Mahi. Gbetagbe yawo ƒe akpa gãtɔ nye eyiwo ke Kwel yi ke hã wò dɔ le ƒe 1954 me yi ke míkpɔ va yi ede dzesiwo abe gbegbɔgblɔ nuɖokuisiwo ene gake ame ya va de dzesiwo be wonye gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo yiwo ke nye alɔdzi ne gbegbɔgblɔ ɖe ko. Ne míetsɔ gbetagbe ƒe nyawo yiwo ke dze le ŋuleɖiawo me kple enya mawo ƒe tutuɖowo kɔsɔ míakpɔ ale yi ke míwo mi egba eye míade dzesi be wosɔ le go geɖe me negbe ego ʋɛ aɖewo me kuvu totovi vivi aɖewo va le nya aɖewo me le edɔ yi ke Dietrich Westermann kple wotɔwo wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewoe be woƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le ŋu gake hafi Westermann kple wotɔwo na awɔ dɔ mi gbãtɔ Dr. Ernest Henrici eƒe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke wòɖe ŋkɔ na be Lebrut de Epe Sprache yi ke wota le ƒe 1991 me yi hã wote le Berlin. Ta ame dzi be míalé ŋku ɖe ŋu míakpɔe be ame yiwo ke wò dɔ geɖe le eʋegbea ŋua wonye ame yiwo ke enye German yevuawo eyiwo ke va eno mía gbɔ eye wo ekpɔ bena edze be yewo aŋlɔ eʋegbea alo yewo dɔ le eʋegbea ŋu be yewo zẽ eʋegbea atsɔ akake mawunya ne ame yiwo ke yewo va mawunya gblɔm na. Ta agbalẽ ma yi ke Ernest Henrici ŋlɔ ma ede dzesi eʋegbe ƒe alɔdzewo abe aŋlɔ, anexɔ kple dahume ene. Ya ta egbea mi gblɔna be egbegbɔgblɔ yiwo ke le efɔ mi gblɔna be yi hã nye eʋegbe ko alo mi gblɔna be is also part of the Gbe language cluster. That in the Gbe language cluster we have Ewe, we have Fon, we have Flaflera, we have Gen and all other languages. Ta le afi ma godzi le gbalẽ ma efia ŋu tso gbeɖiɖiwo kple wotɔwo keŋ kple enyawo eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖowo ŋuti eye wòtɔ si nya ha vovovowo dzi le eʋegbea me. Le Henrici yome afi Dietrich Westermann yi hã nye German yevuwo ke ame ma ewɔ dɔ gã geɖe le míaƒe eʋegbea ŋu le gbegbe. Ya ta megblɔe do ŋgɔ be hafi ame ŋgɔdowo nava yia hafi le ŋgɔdoawo megbea ye nye ame yi ke gava wɔ dɔ geɖewo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Ta wɔ dɔ le gbea ƒe gbeɖiɖiwo enyawo ŋuti va se ɖe eʋegbea ƒe lekewɔnuwo abe egliwo, alobalowo, adzowo kple ehawo kpakple xotutu. Ewɔ dɔ geɖe le numawo katã ŋuti le eʋegbea me. Ta edɔ yiwo ke wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewɔe be eƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le eʋegbea ŋu akpɔ. Le ƒe 1995 mea Westermann ede dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Eya ke te eʋegbe nya aɖewo hã ƒoƒu eye wòwɔ what we call a diglot, the Ewe diglot, where you have the Ewe word, we have English words and their translation into Ewe and their translation into the English language, which is a diglot. Ere ŋkɔ ne be gbesela yeye. Ere English gbenya aɖewo hã gɔme ɖe eʋegbe fiala hã me. So eŋlɔ gbalẽ aɖe hã yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be a study of the Ewe language le ƒe 1990 me eye wòde dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo ɖe woƒe ehatsotsowo me. Ok, Okay, vestama kwa nyahio ke gbedidio ko dejeshia le egbema odomoto ko va change alo over totrom ka ke gerawo a wo kata wo le etepe nenema pepe ipa blore gbedidio ko dejeshi na mi le gbama ha wo kata wo le nenema pepe FK potake ihe nye amare ke dejeshi eseyo ke kure gbegbe ngonglonchi le teachers journal ma le fakpere kalofa shikibla atonvo adema cho mai di va sere egbe atotro gero ga va gba ngongloma tamia globe puta kenya amagbanto egbe ebawo ntonto pa amagbanto do motoreka eike edejeshi egbe ape ipe enyaro ploto nami afi amagerao ga va eplero sam obiani ihe jagbagba le gbagbamu samobiani ma enya bajemeto onya cho miape Togo Mountain languages sao fe akpare kayo cho ihe wo dogere le gbagbamu nami ete gbagbamuchi unya akpagba nto le akpare ka lo fa sheke bla toma eye akpavelia ehiregu le akpare ka alo fa sheke bla atonvo enaliama ka amabubuo ha gawo edogerele ebegba sosronchi sikenyomi ihe awudole ebegba sosronchi eyape enya yoke le dari kure enya how the word classes, how we can mention the word classes in Ewe, or how we can appropriately name them in Ewe was started by sikenyomi eje maogoma nami hafi amamamleo eva ayira eji ma block wana le ngmerere unwa sike nyomila enya megbanto ike eje ngmerere chuve gbanchi ma edzave gba kore ngme chuve gbanchi ekojigera hafi ya ipe yi nava amegerawo no ngmerem chuve gbanwo uza Eʋegbe eko owoni ga ke pe ngmerere okure ebegbanwo eze ebegbe so echowowe hekpere do ike owonwa edejeshi enu Eʋegbe petuturo enu tso Eʋegbe petuturo nchi eyo film gero ike woren kona be the study of Ewe locative nominals yo tela pakpere kalofa shekebla andrevo ashekeliam manya eya rekako Bureau of Ghana Languages ha ewo dole Eʋegbe nchi wa deje shibe ehya ba Eʋegbe aleke mi ngome nya gbugbo angle onolo rekaji yata okpe Eʋegbe nchi unyala ocho Togo Benin pletefe mawo kple Ghana to katon va nonyi eye le pakpere ka alofa ashekebla ashekevo atoliama wodre agbalã rerego eye wota agbalã ma le again le 1997 yike nye pakpere ka alofa ashekebla ashekevo andoliama enye enyamama le Eʋegbe ngɔŋlɔme amemawo ƒe agbagba dzedzewo kple wotɔwo katã wodze le miaƒe Eʋegbe ngɔŋlɔ kple Eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ me ke ame mamlɛ yiwo ke gava nɔ wo yoma wonye SK Amegashi kple FK Atakpa wodze agbagba geɖe le Eʋegbe fiafia kple kadodo yiwo ke nɔ nyawo doma le Eʋegbe ngɔŋlɔ ma wodze agbagba geɖe le wo ŋuti SK Amegashi eŋlɔ Eʋegbe ngɔŋlɔ eye nenema ke Amegashi egado nusɔsrɔ̃ le Eʋegbe ƒe tuturo ŋu ha ɖe ŋgɔ to Eʋegbe ƒe tuturo ŋɔŋlɔ me enyawo gɔmesese hã ganye agbalẽ ɖeka yi ke SK Amegashi gaŋlɔ le eya yomea miakpɔe be ame aɖewo hã gawɔ dɔ abe Nufialaga aɖe nɔ Legon yi ke mi yɔna be Professor Dati ya megale agbe egbe Professor Dati ya wɔ dɔ geɖewo le Eʋegbea ƒe tuturo kple eƒe enya aɖewo ŋuti ko magblɔ be le miaƒe Eʋegbea ŋutia amehewo nye ame yiwo ke wɔ dɔ geɖewo na mi eye wona be Eʋegbea ezɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe da na mi le afi ma afia mi ɖo fia madi be ta miaƒe kpotutua wɔwoe nye ma ta mia agazɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe gake miaƒo dometsotso aɖe
yo miawɔ ye fifia. All right. Okay. History ele heavy lo the people seem to have loved us. They seem to have really loved the Ewe language, or maybe where they lived, around the coastal areas or whatever. Just love the Ewe people to have done all this research. Yeah, and I was going to ask, Nukata or take time to do all that for us. Other than loving us, I think, like you said, in order for them to communicate with us, especially with the religion and all those things that are coming. So that's very interesting to know.
Actually.
But another grammar.
They wanted to speak to the hearts of the people, and they needed a language to do so. So when you speak to an individual in the language that he understands, it gets into his heart.
Absolutely. Yes. That's the kind of thing we try to teach the children, in our agile learning, for 3 years, so that if they have a word, if they're able to speak to you nicely, respectfully, with some etiquette around it, naturally you're gonna really like them and try to help them. Yeah. So, like you said, you didn't say it today, but then if you teach an expatriate a few words, it goes a long way to them in whatever country that they are in. Okay. Dr. Wadamedeku, nami interlude there. You have a short,
Yo, Apprende, Professor Dekorn, Nguyao, o Defiami, Efia, Enyonto, Elabe, Jivamias, Nui Mogom. Abe Ale Mionto Miana, Miatok Biopla Miamamawa, Echa Onglo, Ngede, Yono, Egypte, Nibaji. Ta gake ni movabu ngonglo movabu alabe ta mieda pene Aƒetɔ Dekorn onami ale miegavaje ngonglo gome ta akpe ke mereku miegbona pi miegbona akpe nami.
Ao miglena bosanuba ao blunovio miglena satanaba ao blo novio miglena bosanuba ao blunovio miglena satanaba ao blo 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 miglena bosanuba ao blunovio Migrena satanaba ao bloe. Ao jokato jojo nyanya dala Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nyanya. Jokato jojo nyanya dala Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nyanya. Ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba ao bloe. Ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba ao blo 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 migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba ao blo jokato jojo nyanya dala Eʋegbe jokato jojo nyanya Ajato jojo nyanya dala Eʋegbe jokato jojo nyanya ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba ao blo novio migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba ao blo
Hey. Enyamto, Fifiala Bemia, Professor Blair, spelling of Noah, we'll put the accent, French accent. I don't know. I guess it's not the only one I know is accent agree. That one I remember. So I don't know what this accent is, but we will do it. Yeah. All right, cap off. Adaku, using Namilo.
Yo, apa? Ta le hama. Roko ba sroma makola ma go je ya gaba umi. Ta ya okle o ma gala ma go ha. Yo, abala ma kule ba ye na mi ala kure akpe.
Yo, nyatope. Alabe mwike enye mveviare kana glovia prof. Alabe oma yema nyepo mia miepo ha miepo via ngonglo ma shron ajebe onye o ikelale C inverted in English C, so the mirror image of C. Gakea nwike nyekpona jigede nyebe miafe keyboard or computer keyboard platomoa gedewa miafe ngonglo jeshima omele ojio ta enana be nenyebe nengwanglo ma meten vegbe tomo togbi wogel gake ni jojo menyebe fifia ni high tech company gedewa ogbagba jembele ke yowe alebeke ne keyboard mao anonyi ke ne vegbe kple Africa gbe kple gbe bubu yo ke ofe nyo menye Latin oh, they are not based on Latin they can communicate
akpe yo
alrighty
vivi ko mi o ko ni o da dogbo ta ayonyoga
yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So over to you, Prof.
Akpe. Yo ka biaro la fia gaka. Nyama jiba mia aro unchiore mia fere yata mia zore ngogbere. Ne mia lankure nwi kami wonyi chova ye. Ama kobe yamama ba de mia jo. Ta enwo gere wo miete esewo. Ta majiba maiji alankure Eʋegbe pe ngonglo jeshi o maga juru ma egba. Akpira be nkawe ele wo manami ha. Mi wo ngonglo jeshi ndo le mi afa ngonglo ma. Ne mi ba mi anglun afun na ma. Mi ngonglo jeshi o mi wo nchi do. Plus susu mi atengonglun wa amana tengo segoma. Are mi afa susu oglo. To enyawo kple nyagbe o zazama. Ngonglo jeshi yo kala mi ashile Eʋegbe ma o me bla atoy. Ne mi ba ngonglo jeshi ato ovu na gbedidi o. Gbedidi awoa enye nwi yo ke mi le mfo enye mfo to kakele ngonglo ma mi yo ke mi zana which are the graphemes, and we are talking about the graphemes which are the alphabets. Ye pe nya gblom mi le fi enye ngonglo jeshi awoa blaton ile mi ashile Eʋegbe ma. Ngonglo jeshi blaton ma wo nya reke to cho abedere va se re z. Ta wo nya ayo ke gbona. Ajiba ma aklewo nya ayo nya kpo pe yoyo. Ple ne mi wovo nya ba azan wo le enyawo ma. Ngonglo jeshi yo la fi reke to ku he. Eva jona ba ngonglo jeshi aro no na nya yo ke wo pu na kpi. Wo reka afufu ako anya mi reka anya yoyo reka oyo. Alu anya ngonglo reka onlo. Onya ablore onya ngonglo jeshi pu klio. Reke to onya hayo. Ne mi kwa mi akwe wo pe lolo to plus we to we eli. The upper case and the lower case. Egba ntonya a levelenya b d de, e, yekpo la enyamai fu ayanya mia ka okple fua odawo ni origa okple fua odawo ni origa gake amehe ashikiare le yate ta fua mi va da shikire te ko ariba fu g k lu ye z yo akpeta miapa agbadidiawo engonglo jesiawo ayo kala miasia wowe nyama gaka abale kama gble na ngonglo jesia roli yo kanya ngonglo jesi yo ka fokuli owureka tani mi ko k plap afofo mi pona p na mi ko g plap afofo mi pona b na mi ko t plus eko fofo mi pona ch na mi ko d plus afofo azuna j nyenya mi o kata kpogele nyauma yata mi ga chi jikro mi o kpogele nyauma ngoma ale ke mi yona o le nyauma mi o kpogele afima j aka yaru yele mi kona o da to ha t s play no nya bodo gwo mi yone ba chi chi Ne mi ko n kple ye ekɔkpea mi kpɔna nyi. Mi kpɔna nyi. Ema enya yiwo ke mi kpɔnɛ la enye nyi, nyɔ, nyo, nya kple bubuawo. Azɔ mialé ŋku ɖe wo ŋuti le enyawo me. A. Enya yiwo ke me mi kpɔ a la wowo nye hewo a. Egbeɖiɖi ma nye ablɔɖe gbeɖiɖi alo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi yi ke nye ablɔɖetɔ. A. Miakpɔ le nyawo me abe ame, avu, ame is human, avu, dog, ja could mean to rain, something to rain, or any other meaning. Ja, ja. Ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi b. Miekpɔ nyawo abe b or b to hide or b that is a kind of plant. B, the one that is used to build thatch, is thatch actually, to build a thatch house, thatch. Bleu. It could be a tail, bleu, a tail, or to deceive someone. Abo. So we can see b. Alo miakpo b le afima go diake abo. Abola is arm. Abo, arm. D. Yekpo nyawo abe da, snake, de. That could mean palm nuts. De.
Dedechi.
Do. Town. Do. Town. Do. Town. Ado. Ado. Squirrel. Squirrel. Adon. Dre.
It's nasal. It's tonal. I can't get it.
Dre.
Yeah.
Dre. As in adu. Tooth. Adu. Tooth. Dra. Hair. Ade.
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 Which is ade, which is tongue. Tongue. The tongue. Our
Oh,
tongue.
yes. Yes.
Ade.
Hmm.
Do.
Do.
Or do. Do or do. Do is gunpowder. Do. Do is gunpowder. Or it could mean do, which is to eat. Do, to eat.
Do. Madunu.
Madunu, do, to eat.
Do.
E.
E. E.
E. Aha.
E.
So, le ngonglo ma. Enya, miapo nyao le ma abe. F. Or f, depending on the tone. Beroro ikene dare eji. Yata nyahe yo mala. Manya nyahe o katanya. Atenwa anya wi yoyo bubu ale ikene yue. Gakeka yo mala. These are the ones that I am saying that we can, they are just examples. Onya wi yoko. Onya korenwo yoke blomale. Ta f. Which could be a claw, f, claw, f, f, claw, k, e, k, e, k, sand,
Sand. I got
sand,
it. I remember.
sand,
Sand.
sand,
Sand.
t, e, t,
Te.
t,
Te.
t, which is yam,
Te.
t, yam.
Te. I need to know.
It could mean a different thing if a different tone is on it. T, yam. E.
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 In words like le,
Le.
le,
Le.
le,
Le.
le, which
Le.
is it's a kind of fruit. It's a kind of fruit that we eat. Le.
Le.
It's a kind of fruit. I don't know the actual English name, but it's a kind of fruit. Elle, odwale, elle is a kind of fruit. Then te, which is an ant.
Ant. Yeah.
Your aunt, your father's sister, your father's sister, or your mother's sister.
Yeah.
Is an aunt. So te,
Che.
che,
Che.
which is
A twin.
a twin, one of the first of two male twins, which is che. Or it could be someone's younger, a younger person to another person. So che. All right. Fu. So we get words like fu, enyao above fu, which is feather. Fu, feather.
Okay.
Fu. For, it could be to wake up, or for, to pick.
For.
Or for. For, to wake up, or for, to pick.
Okay.
So we can see it in another word like fear or fear. Fear to teach, or fear. Or fear, which is a chief. Chief. Fu. Can you see the way I pronounce it? Fu. No, fu. No, the two lips must actually come together. The upper and the lower lip must come together. Ejifo tokle anyibato elebe wova emoviare na no ya na dogo atoma.
Yo.
Fu. Aha, fu. Fu. Okay. Fu. In this la kayama nyakpo enyaw aba fe. Allo fe, which is fe, which is year.
Yeah.
Fe,
Year.
year.
Mm-hmm.
Fe, year.
Fe.
Year.
Fe.
Then we can have fu, which is bone. Fu.
Yeah. Fu.
Bone. Fu, bone. We can have fo, which is to beat, or cereal. Cereal is also fo. That kind of I don't know. It's a cereal is actually, it can also be called fo, or to beat.
Okay.
Or it could also mean the stomach. It can also be fo.
Apple. That's why they say fufu. That is, I mean, like expecting. That's a fu.
No,
right?
No, yeah, fu. But this one is fu. So it's the fu actually is in the previous alphabet, which is fu. This one.
Oh,
fu,
okay.
Pregnancy.
Yeah.
It could be pregnancy.
Oh, okay. It's in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
All right.
Just speak it.
Okay. So g. So you can have words like g. Words like g, which is actually, it could be beard, a beard of a man. So it's g. Ga, which is money. Ga. Money. Ga. Money. Gla. Jaw. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. Yeah. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. All right. Yeah. So we have words like which is the sun. Sun.
Yeah. View. Can say that one.
Sun.
Then
we have La. To hide. La. To hide.
Yeah.
To hide. White. White. Her. As in word like ha, which is pig, ha, or it could be ha, song, or it could also mean to take a major part of something hurriedly, because you are holding something to yourself. So ha. When someone is holding something to himself, ha. Ha. And it could be song, or it could also mean a pig. A clan. 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 Yeah. Here. Poverty. Here. Poverty. Or here, which is to need something, to need, or to need something.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's different.
So, yeah. So the other one was her. The other one, this one is her. This is her. But this one is her. Yeah. So we have ho, house. Ha, broom. Ha, broom. Yeah. Herky, umbrella. Umbrella. E. So, and now about a T stick or tree. A tree or stick. A T. C to run away. C to run away. Chi. C to run away. Chi, water. Chi, water. Or to grow. Chi, to grow. K. Yeah. K. As in, enyaw abe ko. K or ko. Neck. Or ko, to take. To carry something up. Ko. K, which is sand. Sand. Sand.
Okay.
Claw. To wash.
To wash, clean.
Wash. A hard thing. When you are washing something hard, we say that you are plum. That may be different when you are washing something that is soft. Okay. Claw. No. Dynamic.
Yes, sir. You want a little break in there so that I can get my energy back?
Yes, please.
Okay. Me a throw over in 2 minutes.
Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo novio mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔƒe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔƒe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migbe na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migbe na satana ba, ao blo. Novio migbe na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migbe na satana ba, ao blo.
All right. I was going to say,
Yo, Akpe.
Akpe.
All right. Mia Iraji. Mia Iragbaridi. I'm not just you got plural. My Jire.
Oh, Eʋegbe, Mia is here. Hello.
Hello.
Mia is
Na me habu bujima miata.
Maybe 5 minutes are there.
Yo, thank you.
Okay, so maybe 5 more Nuhiko. Okay,
5 more alphabets.
We have some questions, sir. Na madene, nanele amade.
Yabia delia.
So, Gabia de la Malaysia. Nkweda afuma kona. Doc na wani.
Ebia delia ama tana. Kayo bona mi ogal gbegbe ade yo ha mi ana amo na tayo. Alebe ke na mi yo ka mi pon na mi apa Nufialaga lo professor ke mi bia okwa ke ade yo akpe.
Okay. Kamadeko, are you Nami for another 5 letters are there? We don't want you to stop. It's just too interesting.
All right, Akpe. Nya ngomlo jashi kele nya ngoinya aha ta ajala nyaw ma ba lo crocodile lo crocodile crocodile lo agaja le nyama ba long laugh or to laugh yeah
long
yeah to laugh
long
to laugh claw
it's like
claw yeah claw
like
claw yeah to wash
yeah to wash just like
to wash claw so the letter is the alphabet is there right in the middle of the two alphabets k and o. So claw
Maklashi.
Yeah, maklashi. So we can find it in the word like more, which is road. Road.
Yes.
Road. More.
Molifa. Yeah,
Molifa.
Okay,
so how a child is forced to eat, like a child, when you are forcing a child to drink cocoa, like this kind of jobo. Na jiba revia na no jobo plotoma o mi mo na revia. More revila. So forcing the child to drink the porridge.
Hold your nose.
Yes, that's it.
Your nose is.
Yes.
their noses.
Mo.
They did it to all of us.
Yeah, mu. Mu is mosquito.
Mu.
Mu, mosquito. Mu. It could be mu. To fall. When something falls, mu. To fall.
Okay.
Ami.
Ami. Oh, yeah.
Ami, which is oil. Oil. Ami. Ami.
Part of my name, huh?
Yeah.
I can see the teeth, but I can't bring mine out.
Right. Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah. So in words like n, which is coconuts, coconuts. Yeah. Nu, something. Nu, something. Or nu, mouth. The mouth. Nu, the mouth.
Oh.
Then
La bouche.
Yeah. Yeah, la bouche.
Okay.
No, which is the breast.
Oh, I thought it was no.
Yeah. No to drink. So when you drinking like breasts. So no. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, Dr. Gada.
Okay.
If a keyboard, all malagio, you know, me, o ado, hello, or.
Okay.
Which one is this one?
I could my blonde in words like ngo.
Oh,
yeah, ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Yes, ngo.
Yeah, it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Ngo. So it's another type of N, right?
Yeah, but this is the taily N.
Taily N.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's so you have ngo. Yeah.
Ngo.
Yeah. Ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence. It could also mean when something when you pierce through, when something is pierced through.
Yes.
You pierce through something.
But like busted.
Yeah. Yeah. You bust the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So to break. 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 To break. Yes, to break something. When you have something and you break it, you break the thing. It could also mean to grow or to mold.
Okay.
To write.
That's it.
Yeah, to write. To write, or we have to coil.
Oh, to cut.
Yeah,
okay.
coil something. Coil something.
Okay.
O. You see it in words like enyawo abe mo, face. Mo.
Okay.
Face. Yeah.
Mo.
Mo. To. To there could mean a mountain. Yeah, to. It could mean a mountain. It could mean the ear. Or it could also mean someone's in-law, your father-in-law. Father-in-law. It could also mean father-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, or brother-in-law. To.
Okay.
Then we have do.
Do.
Which is a hole. A hole.
Do.
Hole. Yeah, hole or a pit. Hole or a pit. Hole or a pit. Hole or a pit.
So, Doc, that particular word, can I ask a question?
Yes, ask your question.
For instance, do. We have doto. So,
Doto.
Why is it like keep quiet, right? Is that not what that means?
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Does a do and a to come together?
No, it's not the do, it's do. That the alphabet you are using is d, not d.
That one.
The tele d. You are using the tele d. So do.
Okay.
To.
Okay.
So it's actually something that relates to the ear. So they don't want to hear you again. So do to. So to there relates to the ear. They don't want to hear you again. They don't want to hear what you are saying again. So do to.
Okay. All right. Do. Okay. Thank you.
Yo.
Okay.
I think can we
do we have the 5? Do we have the 5, Doc?
Yes, actually. This is I think this is the 6th one, or
I think we can go on forever. So maybe we should just get an interlude and tell us something. Do you see a comment, Prof, do you see any comments that only you can see that maybe you can answer, please? Is there comments that you
I don't have any.
All right. Okay.
I don't have any comment here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, George, what do you want us to do now? You want us to end it?
Ella Prof, but manya beza dola miomi agbota.
Prof,
yeah. That's fine. I can do that.
It's past 10 o'clock for you now. We know that.
No problem. I can do that. We can actually finish this one for today.
Okay.
Then next week, we are starting a new lesson.
Okay.
Okay.
In words like Tosisi, which is river. Tosisi, river. Tosisi, river. Ko, feast. That is the feast. Where is the feast? Feast. Ko. Or it could also mean to carry. It could also mean to carry. Ko. Edako revia. Edako revia.
Okay. Yeah.
Or to ko revia. Ko. It could also mean to carry. A ko zipila. A ko zipila. He or she carried the seats. He or she carried the seats. Afo. Foot. Which is the leg.
Foot.
Leg. Or the depending on how which part of it you want to describe. So actually afo or the leg or the foot. Yeah, afo. Afo.
Running water.
Po. Yes, Tosisi, which is a running water. Yeah, actually, Tosisi,
okay.
which
Tosisi,
is river.
okay.
Yeah, river.
That's what
Yeah,
the
river
person
is a running. It's a running water. Yeah.
Water. Okay.
Papa, father, or Papa, Papa, which is a fan, the locally manufactured fan.
Papa,
Papa,
yeah.
Papa. Papi, Hamatan. Papier d'eau, Agba.
Okay.
Papier d'eau, Agba. Pamplo.
I know what Pamplo.
Bamboo. Yeah. Bamboo. Pamplo. Yeah, Pamplo. No. You roll the tongue along the Avila Ridge.
Oh my goodness.
So you have a word like Srɔƒe.
Zero.
Yeah, to smoothen something. A smooth, when something is smooth. Srɔƒe. The thing is smooth.
Okay.
Srɔƒe. It could also mean the action of making something smooth, which is the verb. To make smooth. Tro. To return or to get back.
True.
To return or to get back. To return or to get back. Tro.
Najo.
Yeah, tro najo. Tra.
Yeah.
To get missing. When you get missing, you get lost. So atra, amatra.
Okay.
When you get missing in the woods, we can say that the person has missed his way, or the person has couldn't find his way around a certain place. We say that ama etra. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That miapole nyauma ba se, which is law. Se law. What was se? What the se nami? What the se nami? Which is actually they have we have been given a law, or we have been given an instruction. Actually, it could also mean an instruction in a context. That se, which is law. Se could also mean God, actually, but the God in God we write it with capital letter. It could also mean se. Someone is saying yes, sir. Yes, depending on the tone. That's why I said the words I put here, they are not exhaustive. They are not exhaustive. They are just few examples for us to see how the alphabets are used.
Yeah. Okay.
So, which is a horse. So, horse. So, horse. Or it could be so, to equate something. Also, So to equate two things or to equate some things. So, but so is a horse. Asi, hand. Yeah, hand. Yeah, hand. Asi, hand. Asi. Or asi, market. Market. Asi, market. Yeah, we can find it in words like which is yam. 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 Or it could also mean to bite. To bite. Or it could also mean it could also mean to press something. Press something down. So ta, which is head. Head. Or it could also mean the hedge of something. The hedge of something. Of water. The edge of something. Of water. The edge of something. We call it a ta. Tasi, which is an aunt, your father's sister. Tasi, aunt. Tasi. U. Yeah, Yeah, Yeah. Nyakwele nyauma abe mosquito. 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 Or when something falls down. When something falls down. Do, as in town. And avu, as in dog. Avu, dog.
Yeah, avu.
Vu. Yeah, vu. Yeah. We have it in words like V, a child, V, child, child, or V, small, the small of something, V, small, V, Kusivi Adelasine. I have a small basket. Agbavi Adelasine. I have a small plate. V, which is neck. It means when something is bitter or something is scarce. When something is bitter or something is scarce, the chia level or the chia vento, the soup is bitter, very bitter. Or you can also say a gala, it means that food is scarce. Food is scarce. So ver means something that is scarce as well. Avo, as in cloth. Avo, cloth. Cloth. Vous. Yeah, that's it. Vous. No, it's not. Don't. It's the two leaves that are actually doing the upper and the lower lip. Vu.
Okay.
Vu. So, nyakpele abe v, which is a whole, whole. Nyakpele abe vo, door, vo, door, door. We can also see it in words like vous, which is a vehicle or lorry or whatever, any one of them, or canoe. A canoe is also vous, but we qualify with toji, vous, when we want to talk about the canoe.
The one that goes on the sea.
Yeah. So vous, it's a vehicle or etc. All right. We. As in words like wo, powder, something that is powdery. So you can have corn flour, and all that. Woo or woo, to kill. Awudala, he killed the snake. Awudala, he killed the snake. Or woo, when something supersedes. A dollar wumi. A dollar wumi, the work, it means that the work supersedes us. We can, it's over our limits. So wulo is it's another word for gla. It's another word for gla. Wulo in some dialects of Ewe. When some people will say gla, others will say wulo, which is also to hide. To hide. To hide.
Okay.
Yeah. As in words like ya, air, or wind. Air, or wind. Ye, cutlass. Cutlass. Or ye, to go.
Okay.
Ye, spider. Spider.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Or yo, lies. That's
the one
insects that lives in the hair. Yo, lies. That lives in the hair, in the human hair. Yo. Or yo, which is to actually to be in an unusual hurry to do something. Impatient. You are impatient. So yo will also mean impatience. Z. Yeah, it's in words like za. Night. Yeah. Night.
Zado.
Yeah, night.
Za.
Or za. When you do something and you do something hurriedly, you do the thing in a very precise way, in a hurried manner, precise way. In a hurried manner. Okay. Z, which is pot.
Oh, okay.
Pot.
Yeah.
Pot. Yeah, pot. Pot. Zo is a bigger pot. So we are talking about Z, which is a pot. but it's smaller than zo, which is bigger. So a bigger pot, the bigger one is called zo. Zo.
So.
Zo. Okay. Now the diphthongs, we are now talking about these particular alphabets, the alphabets that are more than one. They are more than one. Oh.
I want to bet
Eza woyedo abalo glonene Victor prof ife amo Dr. Dogbe head of department Plato gata olafia eza dona ota ke mia ada kukuna mashama be mia cho egbeto asedafia alabe koshira egbona memle dagbe ha miega fia noga alabe Nufialaga alo Professor Dekorn regato troge agbove mia dome alabe miedakpe miecho monpopo yakpe damna Professor Dekorn ble Dr. Emmanuel Dogbe Ikenye head of department na University of Education Winneba Department of Ewe Education where only omnami mien get a strong choafia me dakpe na wale onton yide history alo jojom nyao vai obe nyemakarijo mayunyo gake cho lamangio kata wale egba ewo vado egbe ale miegba nglome pleto mogata miedakpe na alo miedakpe na miape department University of Education Winneba kata akpenami yo danami mereku welcome.
It's, I mean, I would love to just keep on going. Like Doc kept reminding us, you guys are 5, almost 6 hours ahead of us. 5, you know, that's the mere Doc Penami. I just didn't think it was going to be this way. It's really, really good. The other professors who are also probably in the background listening to us, everything they're doing, just their spirits being there, you know, is helping us. And you know, we hope that you'll go on our lines and give us some good comments. And if you have any questions, you know, you can always ask. You can always ask. The other thing too is, like Doc said, next time we are going to make sure, well, we'll try because to try to make sure that, or to see really, if you can ask questions whilst the show is on. So Doc, let me a good one nice music there. Give us some good music to go now. Thank you. Yes, we have.
Yo, akpe ke yima egbeto ha afia meko sede ya obe vima vonale agalago ma o obe Nufialaga prof la fia na yimeglenyo kemere ku na
vivima vonale
correct na mark
vivima vonala goku afi okoni fuogo
agokun okone fuogo
alo agokun afi okoni fuogo yeah
yo akpe yo Kelipo hayada
Madu Helbiarea Agbajaya
oh
okay well baby it on. Apprende Milo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go online, subscribe. Whatever you have. I can dance with it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, come on. What am I want to hear that?
I can't hear anything.
We are going to be learning this other, how to write, how to sing, how to dance it. It's all in learning. So, every Saturday. And if you have questions, send them to us. They can be answered next week. Also.
Thank you. One day, I'm you know, that is where we know the differences. One day. Yeah.
Right? Yeah, because we'll be getting new, interested learners. Wow. So they will have to know.
Yeah.
Yo.
Thank you very much.
Yo, thank you. Yo, bye-bye.
Give us a stargaze.
Sorry, it's not okay.
Give us a stargaze.
Okay.
Oh, we are not leaving. As you know, we'll be learning from. All right.
Okay. Yo, okay. Yeah, man.